All right, so here it is, the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. And I gotta tell you, this thing is absolutely beautiful. It is a major upgrade from the previous generation. I have the Z Flip 6, and I gotta tell you, this is a much needed upgrade. So hardware wise, you probably can't tell too much, but folks, it is wider. It is wider, and you get a full display on the cover there now. This blue looks great on this phone right here, but I think my favorite of the colors already so far is the mint. I think that just looks really good. But you get a new full cover display right here, and it was a much needed upgrade for this phone because it was kind of following behind Motorola in some areas. And then I gotta admit, Samsung did a great job at implementing their full screen on the cover display. It has upgraded cameras on the front on the phone now, so that is a huge plus. 50 megapixel photos, 4K video. I mean, this is just going to be a major win for those that are looking to use this for content creation. And yet you get all the things that are in the so-called higher tier versions or other generations that would be considered flagships. Well, this is a major upgrade for this phone right here. No 8K recording, but something special about the Z Flip 7 now, or just the Z Flip lineup, it has DeX, and I can't wait to show that to you. But here is that cover display in all its glory. It is just beautiful, man. To see this in person is so much better than looking at it through this video. I gotta tell you, I'm impressed. I'm also impressed with how well the Galaxy S25 Edge is doing. You can see it there, recording everything in this video was recorded with the Galaxy S25 Edge. So here it is, man. What a great looking device, and it also comes in several different colors too, man. I mean, it is just a beautiful phone to behold. I think you're gonna like this one.